In today's world, where health consciousness is at an all-time high, understanding what goes into our bodies is more crucial than ever. The oils we use for cooking can have profound effects on our overall well-being. This topic isn't just a trend, it's a pivotal aspect of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Imagine this: every time you cook a meal, you're making a choice that impacts your health and longevity. Some oils can be silent saboteurs of our well-being, lurking in our kitchens and quietly undermining our health. Whether you're someone striving for better health, a parent concerned about your family's well-being, or someone passionate about nutritious eating, understanding which oils to avoid is paramount. Did you know that the oil you use every day might be more dangerous than you think? It could be the hidden culprit behind various health issues, silently affecting your body from within. If you're curious to know which oil you should stop using immediately, keep watching. Your health might depend on it. This topic is essential because it sheds light on an often overlooked aspect of our diet. Cooking oils are a staple in almost every kitchen, but not all oils are created equal. Some oils, despite being marketed as healthy, can cause more harm than good. The right oil can enhance the flavor of your food and contribute positively to your health, while the wrong one can increase your risk of chronic diseases. Understanding which oils to avoid and why can empower you to make informed decisions that promote better health. This knowledge is not just for health enthusiasts, but for anyone who wants to lead a healthier, more fulfilling life. After all, health is wealth. Health enthusiasts, if you are passionate about healthy living and constantly seeking ways to improve your diet, this is for you. Parents, ensuring the well-being of your family starts with what you cook at home. Learn which oils to avoid to keep your loved ones healthy. Foodies, even if you love cooking and experimenting with different cuisines, knowing the right oils can make a significant difference. Anyone interested in nutrition, whether you're a novice or an expert, understanding the impact of different cooking oils is crucial. The importance of this topic lies in its potential to drastically improve your health by making simple yet impactful changes in your cooking habits. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with valuable knowledge that can help you make healthier choices and avoid the pitfalls of using harmful oils. This information can be a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their diet. You'll learn to identify harmful oils, understand their adverse effects, and discover healthier alternatives. This knowledge can help you reduce the risk of health issues such as heart disease, obesity, and inflammation, ultimately leading to a healthier, happier life. 1. The dangerous oil. Lurking in your kitchen. The oil in question is none other than vegetable oil. While its name might suggest health benefits, vegetable oil is often highly processed and contains unhealthy trans fats. These fats can increase your LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and lower your HDL, good cholesterol levels, leading to various cardiovascular diseases. 2. Understanding trans fats. Trans fats are a type of unsaturated fat that can be particularly harmful to your health. They are created through an industrial process that adds hydrogen to liquid vegetable oils to make them more solid. This process, known as hydrogenation, allows these oils to have a longer shelf life and maintain stability at room temperature. However, trans fats have been linked to numerous health issues, including heart disease. Trans fats can increase the risk of heart disease by raising bad cholesterol levels and lowering good cholesterol levels. Inflammation. They can trigger inflammation, which is a root cause of many chronic diseases. Diabetes. High consumption of trans fats can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. 3. The hidden dangers of cooking with vegetable oil. Cooking with vegetable oil can expose you to harmful compounds, especially when it is heated to high temperatures. When vegetable oils are heated, they can break down and release harmful substances such as aldehydes, which have been linked to cancer and other diseases. Additionally, vegetable oils are often derived from genetically modified organisms, GMOs, and can contain traces of pesticides and other chemicals used in their production. These residues can accumulate in your body over time, leading to potential health risks. 4. Healthier alternatives to vegetable oil. Now that we know the dangers of cooking with vegetable oil, let's explore some healthier alternatives. Olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, olive oil is great for cooking at low to medium temperatures. It has been linked to numerous health benefits, including reduced inflammation and a lower risk of heart disease. Coconut oil. High in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, coconut oil can boost metabolism and support brain health. It's also stable at high temperatures, making it suitable for cooking. Avocado oil. Another excellent source of monounsaturated fats, avocado oil has a high smoke point, making it perfect for high-temperature cooking. It also contains beneficial antioxidants and vitamins. Butter and ghee. These traditional fats are stable at high temperatures and can be a better option than vegetable oil. They also add rich flavor to your dishes. 5. The role of omega-6 fatty acids. Vegetable oils are often high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can contribute to inflammation when consumed in excess. While omega-6 fatty acids are essential for our health, the typical Western diet tends to have a much higher ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, leading to an imbalance that promotes inflammation. 6. Making informed choices. To make healthier choices, it's essential to read labels carefully and understand the ingredients in the oils you use. Opt for oils that are minimally processed and free from hydrogenation. Cold-pressed and extra virgin varieties are usually better options. 7. Real-life stories. Consider the story of Jane, a mother of 2 who switched from vegetable oil to olive oil. Within a few months, she noticed significant improvements in her family's health. Her children had fewer colds and her husband's cholesterol levels improved. This simple change had a profound impact on their overall well-being. In conclusion, the oils you choose for cooking can have a significant impact on your health. By avoiding vegetable oil and opting for healthier alternatives, you can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve your overall well-being. Remember, health is wealth, and making informed choices in the kitchen is a powerful step towards a healthier life. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health. We hope this information empowers you to make healthier choices and avoid the hidden dangers of vegetable oil. Stay tuned to the HealthClinic channel for more valuable tips and insights. Together, we can lead healthier, happier lives.